Adam, thank you. One first responder is reminding residents to be safe when using space heaters to prevent a house fire. Springfield Fire Captain Drew Piemonte told 22 News that these fires are a result of people not following proper instructions from the manufacturer. He says common mistakes include not plugging the heaters into an electric outlet, attaching them to extension cords, and leaving them unattended.
If you can get your car off the street, get it off the street and allow them to do their jobs. Just in case, God forbid, you need an ambulance, AMR to come down there. You need the fire department to respond. You need the police department to respond.
Piemonte says residents should have working smoke detectors and an evacuation plan in place should a space heater catch on fire.